I think we'll get a lot of people who are willing to code given the requirements of the specifications. I think that's the simplest part of development in my perspective. What we do is to go to the next level of understanding in terms of what's the context in which this code is being developed. The context from business perspective, the context from domain perspective, and obviously the technology, choice of technology that we use from an engineering perspective. I think the combination of these things makes a domain native engineer. Let me take an example to make it real. We were working for one of the clients, which is essentially building a tokenization platform. I think the simplest part is to develop a simple code to tokenize a card or an account. But the complexity is in actually understanding what happens once this token is created, the life cycle of the token, the security aspects of it, how does it come into existence when a transaction happens, what happens after the transaction is completed, how does the settlement happen behind it, how does the actual money movement gets impacted. I think it is important to understand the whole aspects of this. We are talking about where this code actually lives in the context of the business that this tokenization platform is supposed to deliver. That's the curiosity that these domain native engineers bring to the table. And that's the reason why we think we just don't throw software engineers at the problem, we actually bring domain native engineers to the problem. I think that's the differentiation we bring to the table.